All right, let's talk about CMS College of Engineering in Namakkal. If this college is on your list, you're in the right spot. Its TNEA Code is 2635. We're going to break down everything you need to know about it. So, what's this college all about? Well, its core mission is pretty clear: to provide affordable, value-based technical education, especially for students from rural backgrounds. It's not just some fancy line on a website, it's really the foundation of the whole institution. Okay, first up, identity and accreditation. So the college got its start back in 2007, founded by the CMS Educational Trust right there in Namakkal. A big move for them was in 2017 when they brought in the choice-based credit system, which basically gives you more say in what you learn. And then a really important milestone just recently in 2024, they earned their first NAAC accreditation, getting a Grade B. That's a pretty big deal. Now, for the details that really matter when you're applying, the college is affiliated with Anand University in Chennai, which is a big plus. It's also got AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year, so you know the courses are up to standard. It's a self-financing, co-ed college, and it doesn't have a minority status. And here it is, the official seal of approval from NAAC. The college has been awarded a Grade B. This is a really important quality check for any institution. So what does that B grade mean in numbers? Well, it translates to a CGPA of 2.46. This score basically sums up how the college performs on everything. We're talking teaching quality, infrastructure, student support, the whole package. All right, let's get into the programs they offer. Okay, so here are your options for BEB and BTech. You've got your solid core branches like computer science, ECE, EEE, and mechanical. But what's really interesting is they also have some very current new age programs. We're talking artificial intelligence and data science, biomedical engineering, and even a specific track for cybersecurity. These are definitely fields with a lot of demand right now. So across all of those programs, the total number of seats available is 450. That gives you an idea of the size of the student body you'd be joining each year. Now, this is super important for anyone applying through TNEA. How are the seats divided? Well, 65% of them are filled through the government quota, based on your counseling rank. The other 35% are for the management quota. So you've got two main routes for admission here. Next, let's look at the faculty and the learning environment. So here's the breakdown of the faculty. There are a total of 69 faculty members on staff. Out of those, 4 have completed their PhDs. These are the educators who'll be leading your classes. Okay, moving on to the practical stuff: the campus, hostels, and transport. The campus itself is pretty spacious, coming in at just under 16 acres. It's located in a rural area, which can be a nice change of pace for studying. And yes, for those of you coming from out of town, there are on-campus hostels. They have separate, permanent buildings for both boys and girls. The mess serves both veg and non-veg food, and they've got CCTV for security. All the basics are covered. How easy is it to get there? Well, the campus is in Eranapuram, which is about 8 kilometers from Namakkal town. If you're coming by train, the Namakkal station is about 10 kilometers away. And for daily commuters, the college runs its own buses to nearby towns. Now, what about support and opportunities beyond academics? Look, we all know college fees are a big deal for families. The good news is the college helps students apply for a bunch of government scholarships. You've got the Postmatrix Scholarship for SC/ST students, scholarships for BC, MBC, and DNC communities, and for minority communities as well. Plus, there are the AICTE schemes like Pragati for girls and Saksham for specially abled students. So there are definitely options to explore. The college has also built up connections with industry and other academic institutions. Right now, they have 17 active partnerships or MOUs. And why does that matter to you? Well, these MOUs are for things like research collaborations, internships, and special student training. It's all about giving you practical experience that you can't get just from a textbook. And of course, there's a dedicated placement department. Their job is to get you ready for interviews with pre-placement training and to bring companies to campus for recruitment. They're the ones who coordinate everything to help you get that first job. Just a quick heads up before we wrap up. All the info we've shared today comes from the college's official website and government portals, and it's all current as of early 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.